Task setting allows you to assign specific Spellzone units or word lists to students to supplement their course pathway work. Tasks will only become visible to students on the start date, at which time they will be prompted to complete the assignment. This means that you can set multiple tasks in advance without overwhelming the students. For a unit task, click on Tasks in the blue bar, then on Create a new task. Select the unit from the drop-down. Set the dates and then select the students. You can select all the students on your Spellzone role, a class, or specific students. For a word list, you need to first navigate to the required list, then click the clipboard icon to set the list as a task. You can select one or more activities. If you choose Look, Say, Cover, Write, Check, or Listen and Spell, you can set the target percentage score required in order to complete the task. Set the dates and select the students from the drop-down. You can check if a task has been completed by clicking on Tasks in the blue bar, then on Students or Class Name in the Who For column.